So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel UB Tech Zone. So today in this video we are going to learn about how we can get our Azure account. So basically I'm just trying to make this video since last 2 or 3 days, but I'm because of some work I am not able to do that. But today we are here. Okay, so actually we have three methods we can get our Azure account. If you have credit card, you can go with that. If you don't have credit card but you have your college email ID, once you go to your college, college provide you a email with .edu, so you can use that particular college email to create your Azure account. If you don't even have that, we have an alternative method how we can create our Azure account. So we are going to discuss all three methods in this video. So let's find one by one. So basically the first one, that is Azure, you can go with credit card. So just go to your browser and search Azure, and after that just go to this website, and here is a button, click here. Okay, so once you do that, here is a button, try Azure for free. I know maybe he's asking for sign in for OTP or something, so you have to just follow the same. I'm just I'm just going with some code. 436683. Okay, so I'm done with it. This It's taking little bit more time, maybe because of the network, I know. So yeah, so I am already signed in, and here you can see like you have we have a form appear here. So it's asking for you are using for your organization or university or something. So obviously I'm using as a student, so it's my personal, for personal reason, and reason India, and Aman, and I have to mention that is, and phone number. Obviously you have to add your phone number, so I am just making it random. Guess okay. I don't know what exactly I have written. So you have you don't have to write company name, so you have to mention your college name. So I'm just taking a random college name, VIT Vellore. Okay, so this is the college name. PAN ID, it is optional, you don't have to, like, it's not compulsory. And I guess that's not going to take my number because of the privacy. Yeah, and I guess now it's going to take. So we have just to fill this. That's perfect, I guess. Yeah, so now it's done. Now we are redirect to the next page. Now we have to fill address. So for example, right now I'm living at Greater Noida. Okay, so that is optional. Greater Noida city. Let's park 2. That is the thing. State, obviously I'm living in UP. Postal code, I don't know exactly what is the postal code. Yeah, that is the thing, I guess. I understand. You have to just click here and click on the next. So it's just taking a little bit time, maybe because of the Wi-Fi network. I don't know what exactly happening. So you have to just fill this way, like you just go to Azure account and click the fill this form, and after this piece, I guess you have to fill your credit card details. It's just going to take you 1 or 2 rupees, and that will be also refund within 2 or 3 days to your account. So that for only for the authentication purpose. So this is the they are asking, and they only support Visa card or whether Mastercard. So if you have that card particular, so you just go with that, and you have to fill this particular details and all things. After that you have to just sign up, and this is the last step. Once you done this, you are like you can able to access this Azure account via your credit card. And what exactly you are going to get in this particular thing, so here is the details. You are going to get 200 USD dollar in your first 30 days, and free monthly amount 20 plus public. So there are, some services they have Azure, so you can use that for 12 months. So these are the things you can do that if you have credit card of Visa or Mastercard. So this is the first method. Now we have another option that is very, very famous between the students, that is GitHub Developer Kit. So how exactly we can do that? Let's find out. Okay, so you just have to go to Chrome and search GitHub Developer Kit. Once you do that, just go this website. Okay, so now we have to sign. Obviously I just sign out because I want to show everything how you are going to get. So click on the sign in for developer student pack, and now I'm going for with the Google. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now I'm logging with my GitHub, so you can see like 34 Aman Patel code. So here is an button, start an application. So once you click on the application, it's appear, and obviously I'm a student. Okay, and I am in Vellore, VIT Vellore. Okay, so obviously if you are going with this one, okay, so I prefer you must have your your college in your college campus, because they ask for your location. So if you are not around your college, so maybe there's some they it you will face some error or something. So I prefer when you are in the college, go with this method. So obviously you just have to you just have to enter your college name, and you have to enter here, fill your college email ID, that not your personal ID. You have to fill your college ID. If you if your college address will be different from this, so you have to click on it at here, and this is the one how you can do that. So for example, if I have that particular ID, so Aman Patel at the rate Aman Patel at the rate edu manpatel12.edu, maybe kind of it looks like this. So we have to just add this particular email, and after once with that, so it's basically unverified. So you have to follow this particular step. You have to just fill your college email, and the same way you have to live your current location like so I prefer when you are in the college, go with this step. You just have to fill, basically you have to fill your all the details, so your college email, your name, and your college name, and you just have to fill that particular, but all the things in the form, and you have to click on the submit, and maybe within 2 or 3 days you get your account, Azure account, and you can access from there. And how you can access that, once you get your Azure account, like once you get your GitHub developer kit, so I will just show you. Okay, so let me just go to the. Okay, so once you get your developer kit pack, GitHub developer kit pack, within a maybe 2 or 3 days you can get that. So here is, you can see, just give me a second. Hmm, there must be Azure. Okay, yeah, so here it is. Okay, so you can also get access of Microsoft Azure in your GitHub developer pack. So here it's also mentioned, like if you are a student's age over 18 plus, so you can get $100 Azure credit and free 25 plus Microsoft services, cloud services. So you are going to get this if you once you get this GitHub developer kit pack after applying the form. Yeah, but I prefer if you are in the campus, then you can do that. Okay, the last one, most of the students asking for this, like how we can do that if we don't have the email and all things. So there is a another thing. Now how you can do that, so basically you have to create a I'm just going to show you like how can. So first go to Chrome and go to support.github. Okay, so you have to go to the support.github.com. So this is the very first thing, like you have to go to the support.github.com website, and now you can say I'm already signed in, because I just already signed in the previous method. So how you can do that, now we have to create a ticket. So obviously we have we don't have email, we don't have credit card, so how we can let them GitHub know like we are a student, but we don't get our college ID, college email. So there is a method, you can create a ticket, and you have to mention all the things like what exactly you are, where you are studying, and you have to add your documentation. For example, you have to add your ID card, you have to add some other documents too, then the GitHub support team review manually, and they will provide a link in your email within a 2 or 3 days. Then from where you can access the Azure one. Okay, so I'm going to show this one. So you have to click on the my ticket, and now I don't have created any ticket, so we have to create a new ticket. Okay, so I'm just showing you like we have many topics here, so we have to choose like what exactly we are going to have. So if I search like two FA issues, and there are many things, I just found two things, like there are some education, GitHub education program or benefits, and if I go there, so I guess they are like okay, so it's just like information. We are here nothing to do. It's in this topic we are just getting information about the GitHub developer kit. So we are going for the account, because this is this thing where we get like okay, this is a thing we can apply here. So now we have what exactly you have to do. You have to create a request for the first thing, like we have to select one. So we can see there are many things: device verification, sign in, two-factor authentication and all, but it's not aligned. There is nothing which can follow like what we are exactly looking for. So we are going to click on the other. Now what exactly we have to fill this in subject, and in this right button I'm going to just show you, and I will mention this this text, and what we have to write in the subject in the description box. You can check out from there. Okay, I'm just going to write this. So now I just added all the things in Notepad. I will also add in the description box. So now what exactly we have to do, write in the subject? We just have to go to the, I will add this in the description. Do not worry. So just copy it from here, and I'm going to add this. Okay. So what exactly? Student support, no school email. Okay, my name. So we have to write in this way. GitHub education, student verification, no school email, Aman Patel. And now what we have to write in the message, just copy it same from my from the description box and add it here. Okay, I'm just going to paste here. Now I guess there are some spaces. Let me remove. Now you have to add your related document. Let me do that before. Okay, done. Yeah, so you have to attach your document. Now how you can attach, for example, I have to attach our dated student ID. We have to mention our ID card, in which it's specific. For example, if you are a batch of 2029, so on your ID it clearly mention from 25 to 29, and if you are a batch of 28 or 24 or 23, so in the same way you have written like batch 24 to 28, 23 to 27. So you have to upload your particular ID card PDF from front side and both side, which PDF include your back and front of your ID card, and it must be clearly visible, all the details, your photo, your name, your badge year, and all the things. And how you can attach your particular file, particular identity card. So for example, I have to attach here and one here. So I will just click this I just move my cursor here, and just click here, add files, and then you will get all the things here. For example, I have this one PDF recently. So yeah, that's it. Now it's already entered in this form. In the same way, we have to attach our current fee receipt or registration document. For example, when you are taking admission, you got your some registration document, or also when you pay something for your college, like college fees for first year, so you get a receipt, fees receipt. So you have to attach that particular. If you have both, you can attach both. If you don't have both, you can attach your fees receipt, or you can attach your registration document. Make sure to club that both the things and both the documents in a PDF, and after that, just in the same way, click here and click on the click on the add files. Once you done that, click on the continue. Okay, so I'm just clicking continue. So yeah, I guess there are something doing. Okay, so I'm just added all the things they are doing. I'm just clicking the Copilot has already here. You can see Copilot has an answer, review it and ask to follow whatever. I'm just going to submit a ticket. Okay. So you have to just wait for a few minutes. Like it's you can see it's creating ticket, and yeah, here you can say thanks for getting in touch with us. We can see our ticket what exactly we have supported. So yeah, it's open now. It's obviously ticket number 38833338. It's long number. I don't know exactly what is this is. So it is basically there are person they already created some tickets. They already may be resolved, but the number is this one. So this is the thing, and I have to wait, like I have to wait for 2 or 3 days, and obviously I will get the link when they verify like my all the documents. They will send me a developer kit on my email. So this is the simplest way you can go with that if you don't have email or if you don't have credit card. If you have any doubt, anything related to this Azure account, how you can do that, so you can ask me in the comment section, obviously, or I will attach my LinkedIn profile. You can also visit there and you can ask me personally. And the most important thing, like in this time you must have a Azure account holder, and you must have create like complete a certification or a Microsoft applied skills badge to become an ambassador, okay, before your onboarding. And for example, those who are currently completing their criteria for the next quarter, that is January to March. So you must have to complete your, maybe you are going with the skillers, so you have to complete your 1,000 net new modules. If you are going sorry, if you are going with the skillers, yeah, sorry, same. And if you are going with this influencers, so you have to complete 250 modules, influencers linked. So that is the thing. So make sure you have your Azure account, you have a certification or Microsoft applied skills badge to become an ambassador. Okay, so I will make another video to how we can complete a Microsoft certification or Microsoft applied skills badge. So see you in the next video. If you like it, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, see you.